and I have important news to say to you. We're going to the mall with Mimi and Day. And I hope you come with us because it's going to be a special habitat with you guys. That habitats are for animals only. But I don't know what to say, so that's why I'm saying bye.
You're so sweet.
Bye.
Yeah, so like Sydney said, we're doing something special today. We're on our way to meet my mom at the mall. And I just stopped to get gas. Side note, the scan and pay from your phone at Sam's Club, best thing ever. It takes 2 seconds. You open the Sam's Club app, you scan the QR code, and boom, it's like linked to that card that you use for Sam's.
I don't think you're allowed to do that on your car.
And then you just pay. It like syncs to, it knows exactly what pump you're at, and then boom, you pay in 4 seconds. It's so easy. Anyway, I love that feature. So I just got gas. I think I have a minute or two, so I might go grab a coffee, and then we'll meet my mom at the mall.
Don't grab a coffee!
You don't want me to get a coffee?
No, don't get a coffee!
Welcome to Starbucks, how can I help you?
Hi, can I please have a venti iced coffee with oat milk and classic sweetener?
Yes, sir?
Okay,
And that's it.
very cool.
Can I have a straw as well, please? Thank you.
Do you want a few?
Just one.
Okay. If you want two, they're paper, they go soft after a while.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you. I never ask for a straw, but I have a cold sore, and so it would just be easier on my lip. I used to carry one around, but I never put it back in my purse after I washed it. All right, now, after waiting an eternity for coffee, that was worth it. Now we can go to the mall. You like that?
Well, I like unicorns too.
Yeah,
So I
those
do
are
like
cute.
this one, too.
We could get something for you
Well,
for
I love
clothes.
that butterfly one.
We're at H&M right now really quickly.
This is awesome. I wish I could keep it. Unicorns and I love this one.
You like
I
that
love
one?
This one. Look, and those flowers, I love them. Look,
That's a really cute.
this.
Yes.
More unicorns. More unicorns.
They actually have really
Give you one.
cute stuff here.
Trees are dancing while the spring's still here. They don't make haste cause they know what's coming. We try to wash away our broken years, but it's so hard in the cold summer.
What's up, guys? Build-A-Bear was so much fun the other day. Sydney just loves her cat. She ended up taking the tutu off because she says it's like a costume. So I knew she wasn't going to be super into the like accessories and whatnot, but she absolutely loved it, and we had a good day with my mom. But anyway, Sydney's at school today, and Mother Nature is playing tricks on us, and it feels like spring, which I'm not mad at. It's super nice, actually. And then I think we have like a winter storm snow warning Thursday, tomorrow. So since it's warm out, of course, my neighbors and everyone is outside like vacuuming their cars and giving their cars a wash, and it reminded me I needed to go get an extension cord because I did get a like a small shop vac for Christmas and to like vacuum my car with, but the cord is not long enough to be able to do that like outside of my garage. So I need an extension cord, so I just pulled up at Home Depot, sipping on an iced coffee. And I think I'm gonna go get a car wash as well right after this. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean my car, give it a little dusting, vacuuming, washing, and all of that jazz. Because I really want to stay on top of it. So that is going on. I did just order, so when I dropped Sydney off at school, it's gonna be like 63 today, like a high of 63. But everyone was in their snowsuits, and so I put Sydney in her snowsuit. So I ended up going on Amazon and getting her like a little zip up rain suit so that she's not sweating and not soaking wet and muddy and all of that on the playground. Just like things that I didn't have to necessarily think about before because she was just home, and we can kind of like moderate how dirty she gets, but the playground's just mud. So I did that. And what else? I'm filming a bunch of videos behind the scenes. So I'm working on a snack video that I'm really excited about. So I have to pop over to Hannaford, get just a couple of ingredients for a snack that I'm gonna make today. I'm filming some more of Sydney's lunches, like new ideas. Now that we're getting into warmer, well, we're not getting into warmer weather, but we will be eventually, at least here in Maine. And then organizational video. I have been filming more like reels and things on Instagram. So those do take up some time. So yeah, it's something that I have to do as I don't have to do anything obviously, like, but it's something that, you know, I kind of have to do as a creator, is create those reels. And I honestly just, I hate them. I hate filming them because sometimes like you know, people do like funny ones and witty ones, and sometimes I'm just not in that mood. And then other times, like if you're doing like a cleaning one or the fridge organization, like they take time to do, but it's kind of just gotta go with the flow as a content creator and like adapt when apps change or like platforms change and things. So those have been taking a little bit of time to do. Yeah. But Sydney's back to school, and hopefully we're into a routine. Since we just had President's Day, she was off on Monday. And before that, she was in like quarantine. So, I mean, that's how everyone has been this year. Like kind of, well, I don't know about you guys, but just not like routine and consistent. But hopefully from here on out, we are. That's that. I do miss Instagram when it was just pictures though, because I used to use it as like inspiration, and now with the reels, I just hate them. I'm not gonna lie, but I gotta do it. We'll see what it goes. I gotta go with the flow and get creative and do things like that. I'm just blabbing. Went in for an extension cord, got an extension cord, and a plant baby. Couldn't resist. They had a few different plants I debated on, but I decided on this guy because I need some more greenery in my house. This is the time of year where I start getting super excited to think about like, what am I gonna grow, even though it'll be a couple of months before I can even like start seed really. I just get excited starting to think about it, and greenery makes me happy.
Streams, they're slowing down to get their sleep. They've had enough bringing life to others, but I still don't know what else to seek but your smile in the morning hours.
believe I'm doing this in February. All right, so I think this is gonna go next to the TV stand. Right here is a good spot because it has medium light, which is what the instructions say. So that'll go here. This needs to fluff up in the sun anyway. Okay, now I'm out of breath. This is like a whole pond situation here, so I just try to get rid of it so I could at least vacuum. But yeah, we have a lot of dirt. Of course, I have my all-weather mats that, I mean, you basically need when you live in New England, especially for the winters. But I'm gonna take those out, vacuum, and dust. Risky doing it one-handed. Ugh. Oh wow. Oh, my dad would be so disappointed. He used to detail cars. I don't know why I just decided to show you one with one hand and do that. Yeah, my dad used to detail cars for a living, and I learned a lot 20 years ago, but apparently, yeah. Way better now. I can put in my all-weather mats. It's definitely not like perfect, but I've done enough for today. Well, no, I've done enough as far as vacuuming goes. I am gonna wipe the seat backs. Like, this thing gets so gross because her feet, yeah, but oh well, it is what it is. I know I actually have them in my cart, like seat back protectors. But I'm almost wondering, it's just another thing that's gonna get dirty anyway when I can just wipe these down. So I don't know, you guys let me know if you do have seat back protectors. Are they worth it? They're probably worth it, but I need your opinion, let me know. Okay, so as far as like cleaning the interior goes, I have like a clean cloth rag and I just have it a tiny bit damp. I did put like the tiniest bit of this just, I don't know, to make it smell, be a little bit more clean. And that's all I'm doing, is I'm just gonna rub it down. Should probably be using a microfiber though, because this is apparently shedding. So maybe definitely use a microfiber. Microfiber is 100 times better. The other one apparently, I don't know, it has like all these like hairs in it. I don't know. It was just a rag. That's what I'm doing. car is all clean. It feels amazing to have like a newer car and keep it clean instead of like my old car was just a disaster. So it feels really nice to clean it. So I am making myself a little sub sandwich. I made Sydney a half of one for her lunch, so I'm just using up the rest of that bread. I have just some mayonnaise, buffalo chicken, cheese. I have avocado. I'm gonna do some pickle. And I actually am waiting on my other camera's battery to charge. And then I'm gonna go ahead and make my snack. I don't know when that video will be out. I'll only film 2 of them, and I wanna definitely have like, I don't know, maybe like 10 or so in that video to make it like substantial, to have some beef in it. All right, I just made the snack. I'm so excited. Little Missy's home and having a snack. These are Wyman's fruit and Greek yogurt. They're almost like Dippin' Dots, but it's just strawberries and raspberries, like little tiny pieces that are frozen, and then the Greek yogurt dots. She loves them.